And the little kacha goes on. Look how cute you are.
After the silicone is poured, technicians carefully place the second half of the mold on top and lock it tightly. Approved silicone material enters another stainless steel refining machine. The camera shows the final smoothing and all parameters are within the acceptable range.
Confirmed. The silicone meets the required standards.
The surface is perfectly smooth now.
Yes, she's ready for the paint application.
I think the placement should start right here at the temple.
Agreed. Let's use the fine mohair for this section.
Look at this slight imperfection right here near the collar.
Noted. I'll log the defect code immediately.
The mold is placed into an industrial curing chamber where heat is applied to set the silicone material.
Temperature is stable at 35 degrees. Okay, recorded. Ready for transfer.
After the final inspection, the finished silicone baby doll is carefully placed on a soft cushion inside a beautiful branded baby doll box.
I want this one right here.
Okay, sweetie, let's take a closer look. Are they easy to care for? They look so delicate.
They can be bathed just like a real baby.
Look, Papa, she's smiling at me.
She gets to sit right here.
We better buckle her in so she's safe.
I can't wait to see her.
Get the tape.
Oh, wow. Look how real she looks.